Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about Unit 9 Functions Worksheet 2. First of all we see what is equivalent function. When you multiply the numerator and the denominator of function by the same number other than 0 and 1, we get an equivalent function. Now we solve question number 1. Encircle the equivalent function in each set of function. First we see the equivalent function of 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is the equivalent function of 1 by 2. First we see. Two by 4. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4. Then 1 2 is 2. So 2 by 4 is the equivalent function of 1 by 2. Then 5 by 8 is the equivalent function of 1 by 2. Now we see. 8 is divisible by 2, 2, 4 is 8. Then 1, 4 is 4. But it is right 5, so it is also not a equivalent function. So 5 by 8 is not a equivalent function. Then 6 by 12 is the equivalent function of 1 by 2. Now we see. 1 by 2 equals 6 by 12. 2 6 is 12. Then 1 6 is 6. So it is equivalent function of 1 by 2. Then 9 by 10. 1 by 2 equal 9 by 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 2 5 is 10. Then 1 5 is 5. But it is written 9. So it is not a equivalent function. Then 3 by 6. 1 by 2 equal 3 by 6. Then 2 3 is 6. 1 3 is 3. So it is also equivalent function of 1 by 2. Then next, equivalent function of 2 by 3. First we solve 4 by 6. 2 by 3 equal 4 by 6. Then 3 2 is 6. 2 2 is 4. So 4 by 6 is the equivalent function of 2 by 3. Then 7 by 13. 2 by 3 equal 7 by 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So it is also not a equivalent function. Then 8 by 12. 2 by 3 equal 8 by 12. 3 4 is 12. Then 2 4 is 8. So 8 by 12 is a equivalent function. Then 10 by 12. 2 by 3 equal 10 by 12. 3 4 is 12. Then 2 4 is 8. But it is written 10. So it is not a equivalent function. Then 10 by 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 2 5 is 10. So it is also equivalent function of 10 by 15. Then equivalent function of 1 by 4. First we see 2 by 8. 1 by 4 equal 2 by 8. 4 2 is 8. Then 1 2 is 2. So it is also equivalent function of 1 by 4. Then 2 by 3. 1 by 4 equal 2 by 3. 3 is not divisible by 4. So it is not a equivalent function. Next 3 by 12. 1 by 4 equal 3 by 12. Then 4 3 is 12. 1 3 is 3. So 3 by 12 is equivalent function of 1 by 4. Next 5 by 20. 4 5 is 20. Then 1 5 is 5. 5 by 20 is equivalent function of 1 by 4. Then 3 by 8. 1 by 4 equal 3 by 8. 8 is divisible by 4. 4 2 is 8. Then 1 2 is 2. But it is written 3. So it is not a equivalent function of 1 by 4. Then 5 by 7. 6 by 14 is the equivalent function of 5 by 7. Now we solve. 5 by 7 equals 6 by 14. Then 7 2 is 14. Then 5 2 is 10. But it is written 6. 5 2 is 10. But here is right 6. So it is not a equivalent function of 5 by 7. Now solve 10 by 14. 5 by 7 equal 10 by 14. 7 2 is 14. Then 5 2 is 10. So 10 by 14 is equivalent function of 5 by 7. Then 15 by 55 by 77. Then 5 by 7 equal 55 by 77. Then 11 7 is 77. 11 5 is 55. So equivalent function of 5 by 7 is 55 by 77. then 30 by 45. 45 is not divisible by 7, so it is not an equivalent function of 5 by 7. Then 20 by 28, 7 4 ja 28 4, then 5 4 ja 20. So 20 by 28 is the equivalent function of 5 by 7. Now we solve question number 2. Take the equivalent function. 2 by 3, 8 by 12. 2 by 3 and 8 by 12 is the equivalent function. First we see. 2 by 8 equal 8 by 12. Sorry, 3 by 12. 2 by 3 equal 8 by 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. Then 2 4 ja 8. So it is a equivalent function. Then 3 by 4 and 9 by 16 is a equivalent function. 4 4 ja 16. Then 3 4 ja 12. But here is right 9. So it is not a equivalent function. Then 5 by 6 and 10 by 18. 6 3 ja 18. Then 5 3 ja 15. But here is written 10. So it is not a equivalent function. Then 12 3 ja 36. Then 11 3 ja 33. So it is a equivalent function. 36 is not divisible by 16. So it is not a equivalent function. Then 25 ja 100, then 17 5 ja 85. So it is a equivalent function. Now we solve question number 3. Write the next 4 equivalent functions for each. Equivalent function of 1 by 3. First we see 3 2 ja 6, then 1 2 ja 2, then 3 3 ja 9, 1 3 ja 3, then 3 4 ja 12, then 1 4 ja 4, then 3 5 ja 15, 1 5 ja 5, then 3 6 ja 18, 1 6 ja 6, then 3 7 ja 21, and 1 7 ja 7. Then equivalent function of 2 by 5. 5 2 ja 10, then 2 2 ja 4, 5 3 ja 15, 2 3 ja 6, 5 4 ja 20, then 2 4 ja 8, then 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14. Now equivalent function of 6 by 10. 10 2 ja 20, 6 3 ja 12, 10 3 ja 30, 6 3 ja 18, then 10 4 ja 40, 10 5 ja 50, 10 6 ja 60, 10 7 ja 70. 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42. Then next 3 by 9. 9 2 ja 18, 3 2 ja 6, 9 3 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, then 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63. Then 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. Now we solve question number 4. Write 3 equivalent functions for each. A 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 equal 1 by 7 into 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14. Then we multiplied 3. 1 into 3 by 7 into 3. 3 by 21. Then we multiplied 4. So the 3 equivalent functions are functions were 2 by 14, 3 by 21, and 4 by 28. Next another point B. 5 by 8. 3 equivalent fraction of 5 by 8. First we multiplied 2. 5 by 8 equal 5 by 8 into 2. 2 5 are 10 and 2 8 are 16. Then we multiplied 3. 5 by 8 into 3. Then 5 3 are 15, 8 3 are 24. Then we multiplied 4. 5 4 are 20 by 8 4 are 32. So the next three equivalent functions are are 10 by 16, 15 by 24 and 20 by 32. Now we solve another point C. 9 by 11. The next three equivalent functions of 9 by 11 are, first we multiply 2. 9 by 11 equal 9 by 11 into 2. Multiply 2. 9 2 is 18, 11 2 is 22. Then we multiplied 3. 9 3 is 27 by 11 3 is 33. Then we multiplied 4. 9 4 is 36 by 11 4 is 44. So the next three equivalent functions are, so three equivalent functions are (18 by 22, 27 by 33 and 36 by 44. Now we solve next point D. 10 by 13. First we multiplied by 2. So 10 by 13 into 2. 10 2 is 20, 13 2 is 26. Then 10 by 13 into 3. 10 3 is 30, 13 3 is 39. Then 10 by 13 into 4. 10 4 is 40 by 13 4 is 52. So the next three equivalent functions are functions are 20 by 26, 30 by 39 and 40 by 52. Then another point E, 8 by 15. So we find next three equivalent functions of 8 by 15 are 8 by 15 into 2. 8 2 is 16, 15 2 is 30. Then 8 by 15 into 3. 8 3 is 24, 15 3 is 45. Then 8 by 15 we multiplied by 4. 8 4 is 32, 15 4 is 60. So the next three equivalent functions are functions are 16 by 30, 24 by 45, 32 by 60. Now we solve another point F. 1 by 25. Now we find equivalent fraction of 1 by 25. First we multiply 2. 1 2 is 2, 25 2 is 50. Then we multiplied 3, 1 by 25 into 3. 1 3 is 3, then 25 3 is 75. Then we multiplied 1 by 25 into 4. 1 4 is 4, 25 5, 24 5 is 100. So the next three equivalent fractions are the next three equivalent fractions are 2 by 50, 3 by 75 and 4 by 100. Thank you.